Hello everyone, I've been teaching myself Java since the 16th of August, so it's been about 7 weeks since I first started. I just wanted to do a quick video to show the results of my first programming project. The program contains a couple of components you would find inside an ERP system and was created with JavaFX, JPA and Hibernate. On your screen you can see the main menu, which is a simple design used to access the 3 components I've created, so let's take a look at the item manager. So here we have 5 fields at the top where you can add a new item. This includes a validation to ensure the fields are not empty. Below that we have a table view which displays the items in the MySQL database. And as you can see, we're adding a new item now and the table will automatically refresh to display this new item. If you want to edit an existing item, it's as simple as double clicking into the field and making the required changes. Okay, so let's take a quick look into the customer manager. I'll keep it brief as it's quite similar to the item manager. So we have the fields to add a new customer as you'd expect. However, the main difference between this and the item manager is that because this object contains more data, I chose to use the same fields to both add a new customer and update the existing customer. So when you select an existing customer from the table, you will see it populates the fields and also makes the account reference and VAT type no longer enabled for the user. Last but not least, let's take a look at the sales order processing. So you're presented with a table containing all existing orders on your system, and you have 3 options: create a new order, open an existing order, and return to the main menu. Let's try adding a new order. If you've ever used an ERP system before, this screen should look quite familiar for you. Currently, the order rows are disabled for the user, as we must select a customer and date first. Once we have got those filled in, we will have the option to add a title and also gain access to the rows to create our order. The item field has an auto predict and will only allow items from the database to be added. When the user selects an item, the program automatically fills in the remaining details. If the user wants to increase the quantity or update the selling price, they are able to do so, and the total will recalculate. Simply press next row and the program will confirm your input and insert a new row for you to continue adding items to your order. As you can see at the bottom, the document total will update. This does take into consideration if the customer should be charged VAT or not. If you wish to change a row, you can double click on the row and you will be able to update it. If you wish to change the item code, you can do so from the drop down list and it will reset the row details for you to continue updating your order. If you are happy with your document, press add and you'll be returned to the order selection screen where you can see your document has been added to the database. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the document we just created. As you can see, all the details are there. This screen is actually the same scene I used to add the order. I simply passed the order we selected through as a parameter and had the controller make the necessary adjustments. I think overall I'm happy with the result of this project for how long I've been studying. It was never my intention to create the next SAP, so I'm fine with stopping the project here and moving on to learning new aspects of Java. Thank you for watching.